first warning weather.
Josh back in for the forecast after all this talk of graduating. I know all the kids are hopping in the car. They want to go to the beach. They want to go out and have a celebration. And it is a celebration kind of weekend with a 3-day weekend ahead.
Oh, yeah. And we're going to bookend the weather being nice on the start of the weekend today. And then also on Monday. Of course, the big day Monday, a lot of outdoor activities going on. Lots of parades like in Ironton.
Cookouts.
And cookouts, things like that. And the weather is looking fantastic today
it's that
and Monday.
in-between thing.
Yeah, not
Tomorrow and Sunday, not so great with the weather. Now, it's not going to rain from sunrise to sunset this weekend. There will be several dry hours, but when it rains, it will pour this weekend. In your first forecast for your Friday, no weather issues this morning, just a sun glare traveling this morning. Temperatures in the 50s to low 60s, but some fog. We're seeing some of the fog being off to the south, especially into Logan this morning. We're definitely going to be dealing with the reduced visibility down that way, but 70 at noon, upper 70s at 4 o'clock, right into sunset with a breath of fresh air, very low humidity. Looking back at the tornado track in Ironton on Wednesday evening, just after 8 o'clock, yes, it was an EF1 on the enhanced Fujita scale, which goes from 0, which is the weakest, to a 5, which is the strongest. So it was an EF1, winds of 110 miles per hour. It basically went from the Lawrence County Courthouse all the way across Route 52 and then up here into the Porter Gap Road area and then dissipated just to the north of there. The path, 3.1 miles, at times 100 yards wide, and thankfully no injuries reported. Now over into Boone County, earlier in the day on Wednesday, there was a downburst of wind along the Horse Creek Road area west of 119. It brought down some trees and power lines, winds of 90 miles per hour. That's a burst of wind from the cloud all the way down to the ground level. You can see that information over on my Facebook and Twitter pages this morning. So here's where we look outside live into Huntington. And here's the look at that very bright sky. We're not used to seeing this bright sunshine, at least this time of the day. The last couple of days we've had so much cloud and rainfall, but today the weather is looking fantastic. In the 50s across the tri-state and the Kanawha Valley. A bit of a coolness to the atmosphere this morning, a crispness if you will. But the latest on the satellite and radar shows that clearing trend. The widespread soaking rain we had yesterday, well, that's long gone. Just some leftover drizzle and some light showers, mainly now east of I-79. But in the last 2 days, we've had anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rainfall from the river cities, the Kanawha Valley, and south. So it wouldn't take much more rain to cause new high water issues this upcoming weekend. But until then, expect a drying trend through this evening. But already across America's heartland, active weather is developing, and at times that will head our way. Futurecast shows dry conditions today into tonight. Tomorrow morning up along routes 50 and 33, there will be a couple of showers and downpours. Throughout the day tomorrow and tomorrow night, more waves of showers and downpours. Anywhere from a ½ inch to 1 inch on average of rainfall through Sunday. If you get more than that, flooding is possible. And some storms on this weekend could produce pockets of wind and hail. The tornado risk is overall very low, but the flood risk is on the high side. So watch those flood-prone areas this weekend. Clouds and sun today, mid to upper 70s, nice and dry. Tonight, a dry evening, pleasant conditions, partly cloudy skies, lows of 60. Saturday, partly sunny, rounds of showers and storms. Tomorrow into Sunday and Sunday night, highs mainly in the 70s, lows in the 60s. We're going to dry out on Monday morning, upper 70s. Dry Tuesday, Wednesday in the mid-70s, and for the first day of June, upper 70s with our next best chance for showers and thunderstorms.